In today's video, I'm going to share a method with you which you can get started with realistically within the next 30 minutes. Now, once you've set all of this up, it runs on autopilot for you. So you do not have to do any ongoing work with this. It's simple, it's easy, it's available worldwide, and absolutely anybody can get started with this. So in this video, I'll show you the website, I'll show you exactly step by step how this works, and please make sure you watch the video till the end, because if you don't, then unfortunately you won't know how to set this up correctly. But I'm going to share with you absolutely everything, and I'm also going to share with you the potential of how much you can earn with this method too. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So let's jump over onto the first website. I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how simple this is, because once you see this, it's absolutely awesome and the potential with this is pretty big. So I'm over on this website here, and this is called flipper.com. Now, if you don't know what this website is, it's basically, you can see here, it's the #1 marketplace to buy and sell websites and apps, and basically anything to do with online, whether it's digital, whether it's websites, whether it's apps, Amazon stores, domain names, and lots more. You can go ahead and find it on here. Now I'm just going to click on browse and go to websites and all websites, and then once this loads up here, I'm then going to type in up here, I'm going to type in, as you can see on here, automated website. And then this is just going to filter this for us. So let's just scroll down. I just want to show you a couple of different websites on here. Now, some of these are not relevant to us, but keep coming down here. Look at this one here. This organiclife.website. You can see a snapshot of the website, but more importantly, look over here. This is full, well, it says automatically, but basically it's automated. So I'm just going to click on here and open this up. I'm going to have a look at this. Now you see, this is the website. Is that the one? Yeah. Oh, it's the same one as well. Here, look. Same one. Organic Life website. Come down here. Healthy Organic Foods website. So let's go in here and have a look at this. So you can see here, this is a starter template site. So it's a brand new website and it's recently been launched. Now this is selling currently for $69 US. If I scroll further on the page here, where is the seller? Now you can see over here. So this person on this platform, they've had 100% positive feedback across 844 transactions, totaling nearly 50,000. So that is, if we divide this by this, this gives us it's about $56 or $57 there or thereabouts per transaction. Sorry, excuse me. So this website here, you can go ahead and buy this today for $69, and this will basically, you can see on here, it's designed for newbies. It's a great opportunity to make money from Google AdSense, Amazon, ClickBank. There's no maintenance and no experience required. So lots of people buy these websites because they don't have to do anything basically. So this is one example, and as you can see here, it's doing very well for Saeed over here. If I come back on here, I'm just going to go further down and look, see if we can find any more. So this one here, again, it says automatic, but it's automated basically. Come further on the page, let's see if we can find any more. Look, fully automated, asking price $149. Look at this one here, Sports Today, asking price $135. Let's check this one out. So look on here, fully automated sports content website ready for passive income. And you can see a snapshot of this website here. Sorry, excuse me, I couldn't get rid of that. And again, it's a starter template site. It's just over 2 months old. Scroll down here, you can find out a bit more information about this. And again, let's have a look at the seller. So again, 100% positive feedback on this website here, on this Flipper. They've sold 77 websites for a grand total of coming up to nearly $8,000. So over $100 per transaction on the website. And if we want to see any of the other selling, you can click on here and look. Let's have a look if they're selling any others. You can see, yeah, look, fully automated, fully automated, fully automated. So we've got one in sports, another one in sports, and one in gaming. So you see, these websites here, these are a real serious way that you can make money online, because it doesn't take a long time to set these up. And the great thing about them is once you've set them up, you can sell them on websites like Flipper, and it will take you literally 20 or 30 minutes to set up the whole thing from start to finish. And once you've set this up, it runs on complete autopilot. Now, how do I know this? Well, excuse me, I know the software, or one of the softwares that they're using to create these automated websites. Now, if I jump over onto here, I'll show you one of these websites, and I'll show you how you can get access to this all yourself, and basically just how simple this whole process is. So let me jump over onto one of the websites where I'm just in the process of updating, and I'll show you how this all comes together. Okay, so this here is a website that I'm currently just building, and when I say building, you'll see exactly what I mean by that in a second, because I've not done any of this work myself. So inside of this website here, let me show you the back end, how it looks. So this is inside of the website on the back end. So this website is focused on relationships. It's called getyourexback.org. Now this website here, it's going to be tailored to, you know, the niche of relationships and, you know, getting back with partners, because surprisingly there's quite a bit of a big demand for this. Now here you can see I've got this article here, this one, scroll further down, and I've got a couple more. Now all of this here, this is done automated again for me. I'm not touching this, and you can see all the posts down here. Now notice we've got a banner here and we've got a banner here, and this is literally because I set this up about 10 minutes ago when I was doing another video on YouTube. But if I come over here into the website, so there will be a link below. It will take you over to this article here. It's how what's happened there? Sorry, this article here, and it says make money with automated websites. There will be a video on here. You can see I've actually put a template on here, like a video here. There will be a video below. Well, there'll be a video here, and it will show you how to set this up, how to walk through it, and basically everything you need to know. And there'll be links on there to get the software and lots more. So there'll be, as I mentioned, the link to that blog article will be down below. So in here, I'm just going to come over on the left hand side. I'm going to click on here and click on dashboard. Okay. Now within inside of this software here, I'm just going to click on your channels and playlists, and you can see on here I've already got two. I've got Love Advice TV and Coach Lee. So how this software works is basically you add into this YouTube channels and any channel or video or playlist or anything related to your niche, and this can be in any niche. So you can do this in the sports niche, you can do this in fitness, weight loss, whatever. And by the way, this method what I'm sharing with you today, this is just one way that you can make money with this software. You can go down the affiliate marketing route and lots more. So I found this channel here. It's called The Dating Guy over on YouTube, and you can see on here, look, this channel is dedicated for honest breakup advice, etc, etc. So I'm going to click on save YouTube channel, and you see down here as well where it says auto sync. Basically, once I click on save, every time this channel here posts a video onto YouTube, guess what? It will then automatically update within this blog here. So if I come over here, I'm going to click on save YouTube. And it'll take a second, like so, and now you can see it's saved. So if I go back to my dashboard, over here I have now got 3 channels on my blog, and what will happen is every time one of these channels here uploads a video, it will automatically pull that video over into my software. Not only will this software create and pull over the video from YouTube, it will also put in content for me as well related to the video. So it's pretty cool, and again, I don't have to do anything. I just spend the time, set this up, and it runs on autopilot. So if I go into here, and I'm going to have a look at, so we've got Dating Guy, this one, and this one. So let's just go back over here into Dashboard, and I'm going to click on the one I've just added, which is this Dating Guy here. Now I can see these are all of his videos here is the headline, and you can see a bit more information about this. So if I wanted to publish all of these articles here now on my blog, I simply click on Publish All. And it's going to publish all 10 of those articles for me. Now over here, I've only got it filtered via 10, but if you want it by 20, 30, etc., you can go ahead and have all these. So this here now, the software is just literally pulling in the information from YouTube, it's pulling in the title and lots more. So it's working away for me. But basically, because I've gone ahead and set this up, this will run literally all the time for me. So any of these channels are updating, we will get videos here. So if I come over here, let's just refresh the page so you can see there's only this blue guy, sorry, these blue thumbnails and these black thumbnails over on the channel. So let's just refresh this and see if any of our new videos are in here just yet. So here's one here, look. Scroll further down, look, we've got another one here. Click on next. Got another one here. And it'll just keep updating this for us. So if I go back into the software here, look, see, all of these articles here have now been put into the website for us, and it's just going to publish the rest of these for us. Now if I go back over here, let's just click on this one here. So we see we have got the title and the headline here, we've got the YouTube video, and then if I scroll this further down here, we've got all of the content. And you see all of this down here, all of this content here, this has also been pulled in for us from some articles, some e-zine articles, and then it's been, basically the content has been spun as well. So it's all unique content that is on the channel. So we've got videos being pulled in for us, we've got titles, we've got headlines, we've got the images and lots more. So it's pretty cool. So click on home and we'll scroll down, see if we've got any more videos being added. Let's go back and have a look. So all of these have been published and there's 3 more left to do, and you can see the dates when these were uploaded onto YouTube as well. So basically it's done now. All I've got to do here for this website here is I've literally got to change this here and put on a couple of banners, banner here, and that's it. And then this now will become an automated website for me. I will never have to touch this. If I want to sell this today, I could literally jump over onto Flipper and list this myself. There's a number of ways I can make money with this software. Let me give you another example. So using this software, if I go over onto this website over here, I'm going to type in nottaughtatschool.net. And scroll down here, you can see. So this channel here is just pulling in the videos from my YouTube channel, and I've got, all links on here, and then on the right hand side here I've got this links over to an affiliate product, and then I've got random posts on here, and then lots more basically, and I've got recent posts, most viewed posts, random posts, and this whole blog here is just automated from my own YouTube channel. So with this software here, you can create blogs and websites in absolutely any niche that you want. It doesn't matter whether you want to go into, like this one here, this relationship niche. You can go into health, weight loss, fitness. It really doesn't matter. But the great thing about this is, once you set this up, it just runs all the time for you, and it's entirely up to you whether you want to go down this route of flipping it over on websites like Flipper here. You could even go ahead and list it on places like Fiverr.com and many more. But overall, it's a great piece of software. It's very cheap for what it can do for you, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and have a look at this, because on this article here, where it says add video, I'm going to do a full walkthrough video for you, showing you basically how to set this up, because it takes realistically about 30 minutes from start to finish to set all of this up, and then once it's done, it's just basically another passive income stream for me. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.